Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. I really appreciate. Please, if you are new here, subscribe to my channel. Okay, it helps me to grow. And if you know that you're a returning subscriber here, oh my sweet subscriber, thank you so much for always watching my video. I love you so much. So in today's video, I would like to share my quick and easy recipe on how to cook the yummilicious stew ever. I will be cooking cow leg and fish sauce for my Sunday rice. It's more like a ritual in every Nigerian home to always eat rice on Sunday. So since I was about cooking, I'm like, okay, why can't you just share this amazing recipe? So please stay tuned, and if at the end of this video you like what you watched, give me a huge thumbs up, comment on my video. It helps my channel to grow. Thank you so much once more. This particular recipe is very yummy, it's very tasty and super healthy. Okay, let me introduce you to my ingredients. Okay, so these my blended peppers. Okay, I have my panla fish and cow leg. I have my tomato paste. I have my spices. These are chicken powder, basil leaves, curry powder, and then I'll be using a dry thyme. I have my nutmeg and seasoning cubes. I have my diced onion and salt. So let's get started. In a clean pot, add your oil. This is the oil I used to fry the fish and cow leg. So I added it, and then I noticed that it was not going to be enough. So I'm going to be topping it up with so I'm going to add more oil. So I'll be adding more of vegetable oil. So this is the brand that I use. Okay, this brand is actually very nice. So I added it. Then I'm going to allow it to get hot, and then I'll be adding my diced onion, and we're going to saute it for like maybe 2 minutes until it becomes translucent. Okay, so you notice that the onions has reduced its own juice. It's actually nice to fry your onions a bit before adding your tomato paste. So in there I added a bit of salt, and then I'll stir it and allow it to fry for like 2 minutes. So this, after 2 minutes, now I'm going to be adding my tomato paste, and we are going to stir it very well, and allow it to fry for like 5 minutes. This particular Estus tomato paste doesn't really slap much, so I really like it. Doesn't take time. It doesn't really take time to get done. Okay, and it doesn't really have that slappy taste or something like that. So in here, so this after 5 minutes, I added my peppers, blended peppers. In there I have fresh tomatoes, I have my bell red pepper, I have my habanero pepper, I have my tatashe and oshombo. So I blended them, cooked them to dry. So that is what I added in there. You see, I'm making a whole lot of stew. Yeah, so this is gonna at least take us for a while. So then I'll stir it, cover it to cook for like 10 minutes or until you notice that you can see oil floating on top of your stew. That is an indication that your stew has fried to let me say perfection though. So then I added my nutmeg, I added my curry powder, I added my thyme, then I added my chicken flavor. That is the Benny chicken flavor that I showed earlier. That is what I added. Then a bit of salt. So I'm going to fry it, stir it very well, and then fry for maybe at this point, maybe 2 minutes. I think 2 minutes is okay. Then, stir it. I wasn't really checking time, okay? So that is more like I'm guessing, but at least 2 minutes should be fine. Then I added my, this is the cooked meat, cow leg. I actually cooked this meat with my pressure pot, for 20 minutes. Yeah, I really love my meat very tender. Okay, so you just have to work with what works for you. So this is me in here stirring the meat so it can combine with the sauce, so that the sauce will marry the meat and the meat will marry the sauce. You get what I mean, right? Oh my gosh. So then I'll be adding my fish at this point. You know, you don't have to get scared whether your fish is going to scatter. It won't. For the fact that you fried it very well, the fish will still be whole, you know, by the time the stew is done. Although once you add your fish, you have to stir gently so you don't, as in it doesn't scatter in the pot. You get what I mean, right? Okay, so I'm going to stir it very well. Okay, yes, I added in my this is my seasoning cubes, and then I added a bit of my basil leaves to it. So I'm going to stir it very well, then cover to cook. Okay, right now we are cooking it. So I noticed that the my tomato paste is a bit thick, you know, so I'm going to be adding my what's it called, my meat stock, so that I can loosen up the texture. I want to loosen up my stew, so I've added in my meat stock in there, you know, and cooked it for like 2 to 3 minutes, you know. Sorry, I didn't show that. I think at this point maybe I lost a footage or something. So I've added in my meat stock, then, you know, cooked it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then I added in my curry leaf. Oh, this particular curry leaf takes this stew to the next level. Like, I hope you get what I mean. Like, it makes it, as in it takes it to the next level. Honestly guys, try. If you don't use curry leaf in your stew, please just try it. You come back and thank me. Okay, so I added my curry leaf. I'm going to stir it. At this point my stew is cooked. Maybe just cover it for like a minute and it's done. Okay guys, look at this stew. Is it not calling your name? Come and eat me. Oh. At this point my kitchen smells like heaven. Voila. Wow, this tastes so good and super yummy. Please, if at this point you've not liked my video, please don't forget to do so. You know, subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell to get notified anytime I post a video. Thank you so much for always watching my video. I really appreciate. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys.